Okay. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. It's Jennelle. And today is not really a special video. Well, it's my first video, but it's not that. Today I have Elfin hair, and I've never had like a sew-in, weave, wig, anything. I've never had any of that. So prom's coming up, 4th of July, and I thought, why not? Why not? So here's the box. The box is actually like, it's a nice box, but mine doesn't look very good. Like, it's all like mashed up. So that's not a very good impression. But let's open it.
Two hours later.
Bruh. So inside it has 2 wig caps, and they're black. You also get this little card with all their information on it. It's quite cute actually, if you can see that. And you have a little booklet as well with all the do's and don'ts and instructions on the hair. What did I get again? I think I got the loose curly 13x6 lace frontal wig, 20 inches. I'll put the link down below, but I think that's what I got anyway. And it's just in the color natural black, like a natural color. And I got transparent lace. But yeah, I got transparent lace just to make sure that it would blend like with my skin. But so yeah, to be honest, I don't know. Starting off with the hair is, let me take it out. The hair's curls are quite nice at the moment. I'm actually a bit surprised at the length, because it actually looks kind of short to me. Maybe that's just me, but it actually looks a bit short, even though I know that the inches are only like, they measure it from being stretched. Still, it looks really short. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But yeah, the hair doesn't really, the hair does have a smell. It's not a bad smell, but it does have a smell. I don't know, that's all I can really say, because I'm not but when I pull it, it's long, like it's long. but it's just now, so I think it'll be alright. Bearing in mind I'm not keeping these curls, like, because this is for prom, so I'll be fixing it however I want. But yeah, the front is quite good. It's not that bad in terms of like plucking. It's pre-plucked, so it is quite good. But yeah, time will tell when it's on my head. Time will tell. It's quite soft. I don't want to separate the curls, but it's quite soft, and that's all I can really say. It is shedding. I can say that. It's shedding. Hopefully it won't shed too much, but it is shedding at the moment. But it's curly hair, so. But yeah, that's all I can really say about Elfin hair. So I thought I would show you guys, because I'm actually quite excited. I've never had like anything like this before, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you guys want to see me do like a prom get ready with me like type vlog, the whole day type thing, then let me know. But yeah, that was it, and like this video if you liked it. Comment what you would want to see from me in the future, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.